Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This throttle body is for Doug in Maryland. Okay, Doug, so here's your unit. As you remember, the wires were totally bad, so wires are replaced, and I cleaned it up. I don't go very harsh abrasives. I do mild abrasive, and this is some there's some spots here that are etched in, so you can't really clean those off because that's inside the aluminum. But this is how it looks now. So I cleaned it up. Right now it's off, and I'm going to energize it to show you that unit works fine. Now the unit's set on the bench for I don't know, 14-15 hours, and I just shut it down. It's nice and hot, and I never shut down, so the clutch coil is good, internals are good, so I have no problems with this unit anymore. Okay, so I'm going to energize it. It's connected to my test rig here. As you can see, it goes all the way to the control module. Is the power. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on. See, on, off. So this humming sound is the nice healthy sound, buzzing. Here's the operation. You can see it's nice and smooth, very fluid. It's fast. Slow. And that's about it. Unit works great, ready to be mailed. Again, I did some testing on and off a few times just to make sure it doesn't shut down, and it all works just fine. I apologize for shaky video. I'm doing it with my cell phone, so just to make this, I have to make it to post office, so before 5. This thing went forward because, so this is it. The unit is great and ready to be mailed out, put on the car, and that's it. New wires, connector done, and ready to go. Okay, thank you for watching. This was Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com.